So if every week you're going to shop at places like Walmart or Sam's or Nike or Lowe's or PetSmart or Kohl's, and you're not using this app to actually get some cash back, you're actually leaving a lot of money on the table. Now in this video today, I'm going to show you how you can actually start making money with Rakuten, which is one of these apps that you can actually use to actually purchase the same things that you purchase every single week as you're buying groceries and buying things that you need around the house, and how you can actually go through this app first and make money. We're starting right now. All right guys, so I actually have a check from Rakuten right here, and this check is for $18.86. Now again, if you're out shopping every week at Target and Walmart and Sam's and places like that to buy things that you need, whether it's groceries or things for the house, wouldn't you want to get some sort of cash back, right? So this Rakuten is a app that's actually been around for a very, very long time. It's actually a Japanese company, and it was officially called Ebates back in the day. And essentially it just gives you cash back or rewards for shopping through their network. Now you don't actually have to shop on Rakuten itself. It's just that you would sign up with Rakuten, and then say, for instance, if I was gonna buy something at Sam's, I would first sign into Rakuten on the app, and then I would just click on Sam's to search that up, and I would click on Sam's, and then I would actually just go to the Sam's website and purchase everything that I would normally purchase. But every time that I go through the Rakuten app, I'm gonna get cash back, so to speak. So the more you purchase, the more cash back you get. So this is something where, you know, I made $18, right, for stuff that I was gonna buy anyway. So, you know, if you take the time to put this app on your phone and actually purchase the same things that you were gonna purchase anyways, you can actually start making some money. So what I wanna do right now is actually show you the website and show you how you sign up and give you a little bit more information about Rakuten. All right guys, so I actually have a link for Rakuten in the description of this video, and in that link you'll actually be able to join today and get $10 welcome bonus when you spend your first $25 through Rakuten. So basically right here is what I've explained to you. Rakuten is basically a app-based software that you can download on your phone, and they have thousands of different stores and places that you can actually shop. So this is just like a portion of it right here. So in order to get started, it's very simple. You can actually download the app on your phone, or you can actually use your desktop computer, but essentially you just install the cashback button and sign into your account. So you're just going to create an account by clicking on sign in here, and you can actually sign in with like your Google or your Facebook or your Apple ID. And then you're basically just going to search up the store that you actually want to shop at, and you just do basically your shopping as usual, and then you're just basically going to watch your cash back grow. So this is probably like the third check that I've gotten from Rakuten, and it's just kind of like passive money that you can make. Why wouldn't you want to get some real cash back on the things that you're going to buy anyway? So I mean, if you spent a couple $100s in the month for groceries, but then you get $20 or $30 back, I mean, why wouldn't you want to do that? It's super simple to do, and it doesn't cost you anything, and it doesn't really take much time to actually sign up to this. So all you really have to do is just come to this website. I'll leave a link in the description, and you just go ahead and sign up. And again, you're gonna get a $10 welcome bonus when you spend your first $25. And I'm not encouraging you guys to buy anything that you don't normally buy. Like literally, I shop at Sam's every week. I shop at Target every week. So all I'm saying is, if you're ordering stuff online, all you have to do is literally push a button or two. You go to Rakuten, put it on your phone, click through there, search up the store that you're actually trying to shop at, and then you do your normal everyday shopping, and you're gonna get that cash back. So this is an easy way for you to basically get passive income back that you've already spent without doing anything, right? Just doing your normal behaviors, and all you have to do is just shop through Rakuten first. Is basically go through this gateway first, and then you can actually start getting some cash back. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is just another little tip to actually help you guys save some money, make some money, and maybe you can take some of that cash back that you're getting and invest into, you know, online business, whether you're doing affiliate marketing, or you want to do investments, or you just want to save the money, or you want to spend it because you're getting some cash back, so you can do anything you want to do with that money. So hope you guys enjoyed the little tip. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.